This app is Proloquo4Text. There are a couple of different Proloquo apps through voice options. Proloquo2Go and Proloquo4Text are available. And there's also another app called Proloquo on the App Store, which is quite different. Proloquo4Text is really different from the other apps because it doesn't use an icon system. It's purely text-based. It has phrases, conversations, sentence prediction. And on the right, it has quick phrases and history. So the quick talk phrases you can say, and they don't put your message into your, I think they call it a word pad in this app, but into the pad where you type, in case you need somebody to wait while you're typing your message. It uses the native iPad keyboard, which can be really nice because if the AAC user has already learned to use this keyboard, has already learned to use this keyboard or wants to use the native Apple keyboard for different purposes like sending emails, texting, searching the internet, it's nice to get acquainted with this keyboard that way. You can also use an external Bluetooth keyboard.
I can understand everything you say, but I use this program to talk because my speech is hard to understand.
Also send text messages or emails from the text you've typed in your keypad, word pad, I mean, and it makes it easy to add and edit things that you've typed into saved phrases. The saved phrases and the quick talk, you can make little folders. So for example, about me, if I wanted to have some phrases I want to say often, I've also known people to prepare for a medical appointment by pre-programming some phrases for things that they want to talk about at the appointment. It can also be useful for making phone calls because you can pre-program some of the things you want to say, pre-type some of the things you want to say, and then use the quick talk so that you're not interrupting yourself with what you're typing. For an AAC user who likes to have a text-based system rather than a symbol-based system, this can be a really, really nice option. For somebody who does want more symbols or need more symbols, Proloquo2Go, which is by the same company, also has a keyboard system, and you can set it up so that it uses the native Apple keyboard so that you can toggle back and forth between typing with the native Apple keyboard and communicating with the symbol system. So that's also another option.